Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how much would depending on your location. Please join in the struggle to liberate our people from the contraption. Like and share videos. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of July, 2024. We bring you this update. You fail to provide credible evidence to support your claims of fundamental human rights abuse. That's according to the Federal High Court, dismissing the fundamental human rights suit filed by the detained IPOB leader on Monday in Abuja. Yes. Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court dismissed this fundamental human rights suit filed by Kanu against the federal government. Oh yes, of course, Onyendu sued the Attorney General of the Federation and the Department of State Service for 1 billion naira in damages for these rights violations. Yes, and the suit marked FHCCS 1633/2 2023, the IPOB leader stated that the DSS and its Director General violated his right to a fair hearing by preventing his lawyers from having unhindered interactions with him while he's being detained in preparation for his defense and his charges. The charges preferred against him by the federal government. Now, on Monday in Abuja, Justice Omotosho, while delivering a judgment on the suit, held that Onyendu failed to provide credible evidence to sustain his claims and that his interactions with his lawyers were interfered with, that he was denied unhindered access to his lawyers, and that DSS officials eavesdropped on his conversations with his lawyers, which constituted a breach of his right to a fair hearing. That is it. And so the Justice Omotosho judgment said that Onyendu failed to provide credible evidence to sustain his claims. And we are saying the evidence are there. Oh, yes. The lawyers said it when this thing happened. Yes, that the DSS denied them access to Kanu. Oh, yes. Even his brother, Emmanuel Kanu, said it to the world. Yes, DSS hindering Kanu access to his doctors, to his lawyers, to his family members. Yes, that is what happened. The evidence are there. So for court to come out and say no credible evidence shows that they are, actually, acting on a script written for them. Simple. The court acting on a script is quite obvious. That is the point. Oh yes, because the evidence are rife. They are there to see. The last time we checked, the DSS said the lawyers, the legal team, cannot see Mazam Kanu as a team. Rather, they should go in one after another, one after another. Yes. So don't go as a team. You must go one after another. So meaning what? What's the meaning of that? The legal team came to have interactions with their clients in normal circumstance for the preparation, yes, of the trial or the court judgment coming up. To prime him, oh yes, that's a normal thing to do. He must be primed for the court appearance. DSS said, no, you have to go one after another. One after another. You have seen it now. Oh yes, so and you are looking for credible evidence. You have seen what is happening. So the court actually, they are acting on a particular script written for them, handed to them. And that's what is happening. Yes, so from all indications, there won't be justice in this whole matter. The court cannot actually, deliver justice in this whole brouhaha, in this quagmire. It's a quagmire now. The case of Mazam Kanu has gotten to the stage of quagmire. Yes, quagmire, confusion. It's obvious the government, controlling the court. They are using the court to frustrate the case. Yes. There won't be any justice from the court. The court cannot deliver justice. They are compromised. they are taking orders from the executive arm of the government, whereas they're supposed to have their independence as an arm of government. Yes, supposed to have independence, like they said they have separation of powers, but they are being controlled by the executive. So the executive recklessness is also, being extended to the court. They are controlling the court, so there won't be any justice. The courts, they are not capable of delivering justice in the case of Mazam Kanu. Oh yes, so they're acting on a script written for them. That's the point, because it's obvious that they're interfering even in the discussions of Mazam Kanu. DSS want to hear everything, so denying him his own privacy. Oh yes, they want to get every information Mazam Kanu is discussing with his legal team. They've been interfering with it. When this statement was made by the lawyers, DSS never denied it. They never said it's not true. They kept mute. Now the court defending them, saying, oh no, they didn't do it. Yes? The court defending them now. How can the court be defending such things? They're supposed to have their own defense. But the court, the judge that's supposed to be, an unbiased umpire, is the one defending the government. You have seen the problem now. That's where the problem lies. The judge, the federal government and the agents, the agency is supposed to have their own defense. Yes? Why Mazam Kanu has his own prosecution? Oh yes. But what happened is the fact that the government have the court as their defense. That's what happens in this whole thing. Government has the court as their own defense. Court that's supposed to be unbiased is now defending the government and the DSS. That's what transpired in Abuja. The court becomes defender of the government rather than defender of justice. The court is supposed to stand on the side of justice. Where justice stands, they will stand. Yes? But this time around, you've seen they are not standing on justice. They are standing, squarely on the government side, defending them. You've seen it. They are defense counsel to the federal government. So that is the problem. So there won't be any justice. So the Biafrans, you have understood what is happening? Oh yes. So those who are calling sit at home to stop, you have heard it? Yes, you have seen what is happening. Sit at home continues. Oh yes. Sit at home continues. That's what is happening now. And the level of sit at home, in the Southeast in the coming days now will be multiplied. Yes. And all these terrorists putting on uniform, parading themselves in the region, you will see more woto. You will see more woto. Get prepared, get ready for more woto. Oh yes, you think you can frustrate the Biafrans. It's impossible. Get ready for more woto. And more sit at home. Those who are crying, political efulefu, ndoshi. You will see it more now. You will see it more.